In PHP 8.2, now there is a way to hide some sensitive parameters in backtraces. Here you can see a simple class, a user class, which has a name and password. Password is very sensitive information over here. If I just execute this code, then you can see here nothing is happening. But if there is an error whenever we are trying to initialize this user, let's say throw new exception error like this, and here let's say new user Laratips and password is, let's say this is a very secret password. And now if I try to execute the code, then here in the back traces you can see this information over here, that this is the name and this is the password. And let's say if we are logging this information in a third-party services, then the password of the user will also be sent through the API, which means that if there is a security leak, there is high chances that other people will get access to the password of our users. In order to prevent such scenario, there is a new attribute added to PHP version 8.2 by which we can hide this kind of information. And the attribute name is sensitive parameter. Here, if I just write that parameter over here, this hashtag, and inside the square bracket, we can write backslash and sensitive parameter. After this, if I execute the code, and if there is an error over here, then we'll actually get the sensitive parameter value over here instead of the actual password. So using this feature, you can securely pass the data to the third-party APIs whenever you are logging your backtraces.